In this video, I'll show you how to send a Canva newsletter with Mailchimp. Now, in order for you to send a Canva newsletter, what you need to do is simply make sure that Canva is integrated within Mailchimp. Now, in order for you to do that, simply head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And at the bottom, you want to click on the last option, which is integrations. Now, once you are on the integration section, head over to the search bar. And from here, what you need to do is just simply search for Canva. Once you have that at the bottom, you will automatically see Canva. And once we click on it, it will automatically say on the left-hand side to connect with Canva. If you already have that, it will automatically say manage application. Now, the next step is to create a newsletter with Canva. So at the top in the left corner, head over to the top bar and click on create. Once you do that, on the left-hand side of create, click on email. At the bottom, we will choose a regular email. And on the right-hand side, we will set an internal name. Let's say that we want to make this our newsletter and we will specify that it is from Canva. At the bottom, click on begin. Now that will take you to the section wherein you will be asked to start from a template. From here, you want to head over to the bottom and click on the first option, which is start from scratch. Once you click on start from scratch, it will automatically take you to the builder of your email. Now from here, you will automatically see an image block. And if you don't, on the left-hand side, you will see the content blocks. From here, you want to hold the image block and drag it within the section of your email. Now on the image block, you just want to simply click on it. And at the bottom, if you have Canva integrated, it will ask you to add from Canva. Now, if you click on add from Canva, it will take you to all of your Canva templates. As you can see here on the first option, I have my Canva newsletter. So from here, click on the template and at the top in the right corner, click on insert. Once you click on insert, it will automatically add your Canva. Now on the left-hand side, you want to head over to the size. It will also select the image and you want to set the size as scale. Once you click on scale from here, you can hold the circle and drag it to its maximum output, which is 100%. Now, the next step is to remove a few things in here. We have here the logo, but whenever you remove the logo, you will still have an option to start with a pre-built section. So from here, click on the header. And once you click on the header on the right-hand side, you will see the 3 dots for more options. And at the bottom, click on delete. You also want to do the same thing on the text. So from here, on the right-hand side, click on delete. You also want to do it within the footer. So on the right-hand side, 3 dots for more actions, and then click on delete. Now you only have your Canva design. From here, what you can do is change the background color. So in here, we have set the body to white. But if you click on the body, on the left-hand side, you will see its options, which is under the column styles. Click on section backgrounds, and from here, we can change the background color to the exact color of this image. So from here, we will set a specific hex code. If you want to keep it to white, then that is something that you can also do. You can also change the content background color. This will be the exact content in here. And if you were satisfied with how your Canva design looks like, head over to the top bar. On the right-hand side, click on save and exit. And as you can see, we now have our Canva newsletter within Mailchimp. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to help you out.